What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel Bullets Garage. Today we are at Soldier Field for the Lexus Performance Drive event, and the weather sucks. It's raining, it's wet, so I don't know how good we're gonna be able to push these cars, but we are here. We're gonna make the most of it. I want to give out a shout out to a fellow subscriber who's always active on the channel, commenting, liking the videos. Thrill Seeker 72, shout out to you, man. Keep up the good work on the channel. Let's go get this show started. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is completely slick. Everybody's sliding around, so we will not be able to go ham on these little autocross actions, but we'll see what we could do. We'll hop in this. Alright, so my wifey's gonna take advantage of this while this shit show is happening. So my wife is gonna drive the RX 350 because currently, as you can see, there's a shit show. They canceled the street drive because there's so much traffic on Lakeshore Drive, so there's just tons of people waiting to do these two autocross events, which is going to be, you know, just overcrowded. So hopefully I get to do all the cars that I want to do, but we'll see. All right, we are inside the LS500. Let me get settled in here. It's so wet that, I mean, it's just a joke. Let's go Sport Plus. All right, in front of us is the LC500 Hybrid, which I want to be driving. Let me lower my seat here because I don't know if you guys will be able to see anything. And manual mode. Interior is pretty decent. I think I like the interior on my GSF better. I'm not sure if I like this layout right here. Wow, traction control intervening. Well guys, it's very slippery, so the front end pushes, you can't even turn it in good. There's cones all over the place because people don't know how to drive. Something is beeping out of control. My wife's seatbelt, because she's reckless. She's a big girl. She can't even turn. This is absolutely worthless, guys. We're going 10 miles an hour and we can't even make a stop because this place is too slippery. All right, the wifey is gonna hit up the LC500 Hybrid, and then I'm gonna take my turn in this bad boy. Get it, honey, get it. Two hands on the wheel, quick responses. Oh yeah, going a little sideways, which is very easy to do since there's zero traction out here today. My Wani doesn't want to use any wipers because she sees through it. Oh, I feel like my cooled seats are on when I'm freezing. Oh yeah,
wow.
burning rubber till 21 miles an hour. Nice job, honey bunny. Now it's my turn. Okay.
Well, have fun, because you can't do nothing.
Hold my phone.
Oh, is this supposed to be on something?
No, not really. Do we get to go? All right, we're good. We're in manual mode. So we're not gonna go crazy, but we're gonna be trying to be smooth and effective. The front end has no grip at all. It is just pushing because this car is so heavy. Traction control, I just turned it off now, so maybe it won't intervene as much and let me slide around a little bit. All right, the straightaway, pedal to the metal, 47 going sideways. Woo! And we spun out a little bit.
And he ruined the track.
Going to drive. There we go. And that's what happens, boys, when you have a big horsepower car and little grip, because it's too wet in here. So that's the exact same thing that's gonna happen in the RCF that we're about to hit. All right, guys, we are in the RCF. Super slippery, as you could see. I just put it in Sport Plus, traction on, because it is just absolutely ridiculous out there. So we'll just go into it and try not to spin out how I just did on the LC500 hybrid. Compared to my GSF, this interior is so tight. There's my wife behind me. There's my wife behind me in the blue car. Hopefully she doesn't spin out either, but
Full stop right there. Okay, driver, go, go, go.
no traction. Traction control is just acting up the whole time, but smooth in, little power, slide. There we go, I caught it. Same thing, little power, good. This is a tight right, tight left, a little power to get that ass to step out. Same thing here. And that is it. I mean, I could have gone way faster if there was actually some traction on this track, but for what it is, RCF actually feels pretty nice. It doesn't feel too big or anything, which is a nice bonus for it. Now I'm going to check out the LC500 and go from there. This one. All right, we are gonna hit up the LC. All All right, guys, we are in the LC 500 for the same thing we just did in the RCF. We'll try our best and go for it.
Hold right there.
Here we go. Woo-wee. Guys, behind me is a stock GSF. This is what my car used to look like. Stock tips right there, white roof, it's not wrapped, the chrome trim. The only difference is the red seats, the red interior here, which I don't know if I am a fan of or not. Personally, I don't like the red. I just like the black on black, how I feel like it's just blends in better. I don't like the
Oh yeah.
I'm not a fan of the red. What do you think?
No, it's too bright a red.
I don't yeah.
Actually, the LS that I just took was like a purple maroon, and it was so nice.
Yeah, the black on black is just cleaner for me. I like it a lot better.
Classy.
Well, guys, that's gonna be the end video for today. Very short, don't got a lot of footage. It's raining, it's cold. Driving on the track wasn't as much fun because you can't even punch it because you're gonna slide out and spin out like I did.
Hit some cones.
Hit some cones. That's what happens when you're trying to go hard. So we're gonna hop in my baby and call this video a day. See you on the next one. Subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think. Deuces.